Hello everyone. In this class we will see class 11 maths, the first chapter sets. So what is a set? How to represent it? What are the examples? Okay, so we will do from the basics. So after 10th standard, this is the first part that you will learn in your mathematics class 11, and this is nothing but we can say it is a foundation of your maths, 11 maths. After that you will get relation, function, probability. So everything will come under this sets only. So if your this set topic is clear, then you can easily learn whatever this relation, function, probability and everything. Okay. So this is a basic important thing from your 11th class mathematics. So let's start with our journey. What is a set? So set means, in a simple language, if I tell you, collection of objects. Not just a collection of object, that collection must be well-defined condition. Then we can say it is a set, mathematical language. You know. So collection plus well-defined. So what is the meaning of well-defined? For example, if I tell you, make a collection of whatever you food, if you like any foods. Okay, so make the collection of your food items that you like. Okay, so in a mathematical, that is not a set. Why that is not a set? Because that is not well defined. Well defined means now you like another food, I like another food. So that is not same for everyone. Everyone like different foods. So well defined means it is the same for everyone. It is not, there is no disagreement on that. Okay. So in a simple term, the set is a collection of objects, but that object must be what? Well defined order. Okay, there should be absolutely no doubt or disagreement about the whether an object belongs to or not. Okay, so that well defined collection is very important. Now look at some examples when we can say set is there or not well defined. So for example, vowels in English alphabet, so that is nothing but a, e, I, o, u, correct? So that is same for you, me and for everyone. You cannot add here anything extra, or you cannot take any letter outside. Okay, so this is a fixed and it is a well defined collection. So this is, yes, this is a set. Similarly, if I tell you, make the collection of five natural number. Okay, first five natural number. So first natural number is starting from 1. Correct. So first five will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is same for everyone, for me, for you, for every other person. You cannot make any change here. Okay, for first five natural number. So this is also, yes, well defined. So it is a set, example of a set. Similarly, this is also a set, the rivers of India. Okay, so if you collect all the rivers of India, that is also same for everyone. It cannot change. So this is also the example of set. Now, when we say it is not well defined, so for example, a collection of best cricket players. Okay, so now for you, the some Virat Kohli is best. For me, some another person is best. Okay, so this is a subjective choice. For everyone, the collection is different of best cricket player. Okay, someone like another person, someone like another person. So this is a subjective choice. So this is not a well defined. It is a matter of opinion. So this is not a set. Now suppose if I ask you, make a collection of difficult problems in your maths book. So again, this is not a set. Why? Because difficult problems in the maths book, it is a subjective matter of opinion. For some person, maths is very difficult. So for that, all the questions are difficult. And for maths person, all the maths problems are easy. Okay. So it is depends on the matter of opinion. So again, this is not a set because it is not well defined. It is not same for everyone. Okay. So whenever it is matter of opinion, in that case it's not set. But if it is universally true, okay, for everyone it is true, then we can say it is well defined. So that collection is a set. Now how to represent the set and its element, that we will see. So objects, elements and member, all these three words are the same thing. Okay. So whatever we are writing, whatever the collections are there, that collection is called object, or we can say elements of the set, or we can say member of the set. For example, in the previous example we have written like this: a comma e comma I comma o comma u. Okay, so this a, e, I, o, u, that is called object, you can say element, or you can say member also of that set. So individual item inside the set having a specific name, okay, they call element or object or member of the set. Okay. Now how to represent the set? So we have written that, let's say, a e i o u. Before that we have used this bracket, okay, this curly bracket. So this curly bracket we are using to denote sets, okay, in the starting as well as in the ending. So sets we are denoting like this curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket we are writing the member of the set, or we can say elements of the set. Now in the left hand side we are writing the name of the set, okay, like that a b c d. You can use any capital letter. So for set to be represent we will use always capital letter. You can use any letter but in the capital. Okay, so this capital letter denote the name of that set. For example, A set, B set, like that, C set, and this inside whatever is there, members, that will use always for a small letter. Okay, here it is English alphabet, so we will use small letter for elements. If it is number, then we are writing the numbers. Okay, for example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the first four natural number. This is a set, and we are writing this given the name as A. So for represent the set, we will use capital letter, and this is a curly bracket that denotes the how to represent the set, and these are the elements. Okay, so this is a representation of sets. Now, what is the relation between set and its element? Okay, so look at this set. In this set, we have four numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. This is nothing but this is a set of even numbers less than 10. Okay, so if I write properly, a is equal to, so this a is nothing but name of the set. You can take b, c, anything. This curly bracket denotes the representation of set and even numbers which is less than 10. So which even numbers are there less than 10? 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the even number which is less than 10. Okay, only 4. So now this 2, 4, 6 and 8, these are called what? Element of the set. That is the elements. Okay, and this A is nothing but set. So what is the relation between set and element? How to represent? So we are using this sign that is called belongs to. Okay, this is a symbol of belongs to sign. So when we use this belongs to symbol, so in this set if you see 2, 4, 6, 8, okay, only four numbers are there. So 2 is there in the set. Yes, 2 is there, so we can write down 2 belongs to set whatever name is there, A. Okay, here we have taken the set name is A. So 2 is there inside the set. Yes, so we can write in the mathematical language 2 belongs to set A. Okay, is 10 is there inside this set? 10 is not there, so we can write down 10 does not belongs to set A. Okay, this is called does not belongs to symbol. If the element is there inside the set, then we'll write belongs to, and if it is not there, then we'll write does not belongs to. Okay, so remember the relation between element, okay, between element and between set, always the symbol is belongs to or does not belongs to. This is a relation between element and set. Either it will belong, either it does not belong. Okay, so this is how we represent does not belongs to. Okay, suppose in the same example 5 is not there, so we can write down 5 does not belongs to that set A. Okay, so this is how we can represent does not belongs to symbol if it is not element of the set. Now the next thing is order. So order doesn't matter. Suppose in the set, let's say A set we are writing 1 comma 2 comma 3, and another set, let's say we are writing B is equal to 3 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, so in both the set total 3 numbers are there. Here also 3 numbers are there. Here 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. Here also 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. That means both these sets are equal. Okay, order does not matter. You can write down the element in any place. Order is not important in the set. So the arrangement of the element inside the curly bracket, okay, does not change the set at all. You can write down 1, 2, 3 as 3, 2, 1, or any other. We can write down 1, 3, 2 like this also. It is the same thing. Okay. The next important thing is repeated element. Suppose you have one word school and you have to represent in the set. So how to represent in a set form? So let's say B is this B is nothing but, let's say we have taken notation of the or name of the set. So this curly bracket, inside the curly bracket we will write each letter of this word. So S, we will write S, then comma, C, so we'll write C, then H, we'll write H, okay, then O, so we'll write O. Now again O is there, but we don't have to repeat that, okay, only one we have to write down one element. Then L, so we'll write to L. So this is the element of the set. So we are not repeating the element from the word. So if you're making a set from the letters in the word school, okay, so whatever letters are given, we have to use that only to make the set. So here O is coming twice, so but we have to, when we write the set, we have to write down O only once. Okay. So set only cares about the distinct element. We don't have to repeat. So this distinct elements are important. Whenever you are forming a set, the elements must be distinct, not repeated. So look at the everything in a one slide. So imagine a set of vowels. So let's say V is equal to A, E, I, O, U. So is there E is there inside this set? So yes, E is there. So we'll write E belongs to V. If it is not inside that, then we are writing E does not belongs to V. Here it is there, so we are writing like this, E belongs to V. So correct answer is E belongs to V. But B element is not there, so we can write down B does not belongs to V. Okay, so this is about belongs to and not belongs to. Then second thing that we have learned, set always contain distinct element and order does not matter. Okay, so this is all everything about the basic thing knowledge about the sets. If you like this video and if you want to see more such videos, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.